In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the add beat on CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to quickly mark the rhythm of a song so you can sync your cuts, text, and effects with precision. Start by opening CapCut. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile or desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in and that your workspace is ready to go so you can save your project as you work. Create a new project. This opens a blank timeline where you'll arrange your audio and video. If you see a prompt to choose settings, don't worry. We're keeping it simple and focusing on the beat markers first. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. This is the standard widescreen format used for platforms like YouTube and most desktop playback. If you're creating content for another platform, you can choose a different ratio later, but 16:9 is a great starting point for most projects and makes previewing your timing easy. Next, open the audio section. This is where you'll find music and sound options. You can browse CapCut's library or use your own track if you have one available. Preview a few options so you can pick a song with a clear rhythm or strong drops. That will make the beat markers especially useful. Select your audio and add it to the timeline. Once the track is in place, click on the audio clip in the timeline to highlight it. This is important because CapCut only shows the right tools and settings when the clip is selected. If your workspace looks different, try zooming in on the timeline so you can see the waveform more clearly. With the audio clip selected, enable beats detection. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Add Beat or Beats. CapCut will analyze the audio and automatically place beat markers along the track. These markers appear at moments where the rhythm hits, giving you visual guideposts so you can time cuts, transitions, overlays, or text perfectly to the music. Play back your timeline to see the markers in action. If you don't see them right away, zoom in on the audio track. They can be small when you're zoomed out. From here, you can drag your video cuts to line up with the markers, duplicate clips to repeat on the beat, or time captions and effects to land right where the music pops. That's it. You've added beat markers in CapCut and set yourself up for clean, rhythmic editing. Keep practicing with different songs to get a feel for how the markers align with various genres, and you'll build timing instincts fast.